Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Sylvia. So today we're going to be talking about wispy lashes. I hope you can hear me. So what are wispy lashes? These are lash that you can, it's just a style that is used for lash extension to make the eyes look more voluptuous, and it has that spiky look on the lash. So you can use this on your classic lash, you can use this on your hybrid lash, and you can use this on your volume lash as well. Okay, so this wispy lash, it comes in layers. So the first layer is for you to do your normal lash. So for today we're going to be doing a normal doll eye. So we'll start with the inner corner. Let's say this is the inner corner. We're starting with 10 millimeters. We're going 11 millimeters, 12 millimeters. Then at this area we have, let's say, 14 millimeters, and then we have 12 and 11 millimeters, and then 10 millimeters at the end. So now the spike will come in the second layer. So you want your wispy lashes to be 2 millimeters longer than your usual lash. Okay, so for example, you can, and also you have to master the art of laying this the wispy, sorry, so that it looks very natural. At the same time, it has the volume that you need. So for example, at the center you can do let's say 16 at this point, 16 millimeters. This is the second layer, guys. You can also do spikes on the first layer, okay, and then do like the second layer to make it because you need to blend it out. If you're going to do 14 here, you need like 15 for the second layer to blend with the 14. So you can do 16 millimeters. And the thing about spike is you don't do it on all the lashes. You just select individual places to put the spike. And if you're using an easy fan, instead of fanning the lash out, you make it straight. That way it looks like a pike, something like that. So 16 here, you can come here. This is the 12 millimeter angle. You can come here and do like 14 millimeters here. Do 14 as well here. And then for this 10, if you want to do your spikes here, you can do 12 millimeters, and then you can come here and do 12 millimeters. So this gives you a very voluptuous look. And then you can go in, if it's looking unnatural, you can go in with a lesser number from this to blend it in. So you can do 15 here, 15 here, you can do 13 here, so that it blends in with this first layer and it looks more natural. So that is for your doll eye. So for the cat eye, let's assume we're starting with 10 millimeters, 11 millimeters. This is the first layer. 12 millimeters, you have 13 millimeters, 14 millimeters, 15 millimeters, and maybe 17 millimeters at the end. So you want to layer your pikes, your wispies. At this point you have like 19 millimeters at the outer corner, 19 millimeters here. You have like 17 here, and you're just selecting a specific area where you want the wispy to be. Then you have like 16 here, you have 14 here, and you have maybe 12 millimeters. So you want to make sure that they blend out equally. You can add a little bit of maybe 16 millimeters, then 15 as well, 15 as well here. Then what else? You can make here 13 or 12, depends on you. So that way it gives you that full look. So you can do this on either your classic, like I've mentioned before, hybrid lash and volume. So that way it gives you the wispy look that you need. So this is just a basic brow mapping tutorial on this. Later on we'll cover it on a dummy and then on an individual. So just understanding how to map, this is the first step to understanding like how the wispy lash should be on a client. You can do this for your cat eye shape, your doll eye shape, whatever eye shape you're doing, and it will look full and very nice. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll definitely answer. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, join the community. Thank you, and do have a lovely day. Bye.